this video, we will discuss about how to write a research proposal. First thing is to understand about the research proposal is that your topic should be a meaningful short title. It should not be too long or not to be short. For example, if I want to study on impact of training and development on employee performance, so this is the short title and convey all the meanings of that point. It should be to the point. This is the something that explain about performance like training and development in the employee in the organizations. In this step, you must know about how to deal with them. Next is introduction. In this portion, we will discuss about the background of the study. How is it important? Why is it important? What are the aspects of the points and why we conduct that research? We should have to explore this. Describe briefly at the main point. Secondly, problem statement. The problem statement in this area you must answer why are you doing a research? What is the purpose of your research? Why are you conducting the research? Basic issues faced by the research. As we know, this topic is already existing, so question arises, why are you conducting the research? So what is your purpose? Why you select that topic? Why you change? What happened? Why you choose the topic? So all the answers of these questions is that you find a solution of the problem, so you are able to conduct the research on the same topics with new ideas. Next is objective of the study. Your objective of the study must be clear. Your goal should be clear image of the topic. How do they think about training? What are the impact of training on employee, etc. It must be measurable and feasible so everyone can understand your research purpose. And the new topic is the literature review. You must having a background information about the research proposed. Actually provides you a summary of previous research on the problem. Or if you research in an existing topic, then why are you research on that topic and what are the new things that you included in your topic research. I already studied that facts and aspects of the research, but I did not find any exact answer in it. So that's why there is a need to find out the solution. You must why your research is still necessary. There is a need to justify it. So you choose this topic and why I am choosing this topic. You have to answer in all of these questions. Next is research methodology. In this portion, there is a need to describe in detail about what type of method you choose to conduct in your research. For example, it may be a survey method, interview, or structure-based questionnaire, or any other method of research methodology like case study. For example, if I am using a topic impact on training and development on employee performance, so I use the research methodology method structure-based questionnaire. So this is a simple and convenient method that I used in my research. There is another questions arise, why are you using this topic, how to solve the problem, how you deal with that problem. You must answer that all the question which type of mention you used in your research. Next, also mention your time duration on conducting that research, how many time you take to solve this issue, to solve the problem, to solve your research. Next is reference. You must have, it is a very important step in your research. You must answer the question why it is important and you must mention the name of author which you used in your research. Must reference the other because you don't use any name of any credit of the other person in your research. For example, if I am using a structure-based questionnaire in my research topic impact on training and development employee performance, so I used and so I adopted the topic and I adopted the questionnaire of Robin 2002 and Scott Smith 2008. These are the references from which we must have to mention them. So the best way is to follow the proper referencing guideline is directed by other author. Next is summary. In this portion, you summarize your all process besides your all data in this portion. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thanks for watching my video.